I the home of tricks. Say crypto mu and I say follow near man na senior updates be not drop it na me beka emu 4. Na later no other ones na be drop it and also very important. I was say we stay tuned. On subscribe ya no subscriber turn the bell notification on send be ya drop wa sabeka. Baako MEMEFI project na edidi agro no. Ebi no ho no ma omo twen bull run nti omaja omo tokens na OKS. Na OKS a drop some vital news be a also share nso. According to OKS for no almost say they are going to delist several margin trading pairs. Nti uhwe trading pairs na e wo high say na MEMEFI na e wo high say no e kan ho bia na say enche on be delist. Nti senior say wo tokens we bia na also ye ne say we convert to other tokens and say USDT. Nti se me ba me OKS ni mu na me bo asset no so a bo se me MEMEFI kakra bi e wo ha ya na me ne se me bo convert no so na ma convert to USDT. Now the next one I'm best checking it out is a seal project way. E was say ode no check it up one who say article say because na insane verification be e koso a facial verification. Why ode no kama senior e also check it so say article na say you on the right path. And a mine e project we mu a stop na say enche distribution e be koso nti stay tuned say na be ya updates in the bar ubehu niam a obeye. Now the third update I'm best share so about ICE project senior update we very important. I'll be to make so they are making a lot of money. Say ICE for say omo bridge from ICE to iron. You know that say iron na ye omo blockchain name a omo de eba. Indi say no say omo bridge ICE na e de akọ iron na senior e ya nigi sema nkasa. Say uni ICE ni bia e also ye fast na utobi. This is the right time I also to me accumulate ICE kakra. Say be ya niam pa ifrim ebeba no usu betumi enjoy enye project ketwa senior. And say odidi agro. We hear message o ma drop now. After more than 1.5 years of relentless building, we are entering the final phase. The launch of Online Plus is closer than ever. And with it comes one of our important milestones in our evolution. We are officially migrating from ICE to iron. As part of this transition, the iron bridge is now reactivated. When bridging back from ICE Open Network to BSC, you receive iron. The new iron tokens will begin replacing ICE across the exchanges. Ebia unim send obesi afaso abridge. Senior audio per ICE in the big one me drop video the achiro kwan obetumi afaso edise adwuma no. Bridging from ICE back to BSC is temporarily disabled and will be re-enabled once the migration is fully complete. Senior sa update we ma drop no very important. Say who bibi say ya wo crypto mu so who say project we enya nkra project e wo say odidi agro pe tokens no biguo na you thank me later. Now the last one I'm best make kasafa ho CHAT3 and Xenea on person mo call live or Twitter on May 15th. As omo call life na omo drop code bi nti uba down high say aba be hu enter code say obo so say ya e wo say code no omo drop no obo enter no high say nti e ba sa na oba benya 2000 of sa CHAT3 tokens very necessary say ense say omo sa tokens we e fa okon ho nti e ya no ahye no nso nti omo the time no nyina e buy. Okay, here I say on 4 o'clock on 15th of May. Na say ochena. The senior updates be bre e wo honom nti also stay tuned. Me drop e binu honom a new projects I also join na me say who follow pepe you thank me later. How you tech the home of tricks.